Hi everyone, and welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today we're going to be doing a self-care Valentine's Day design. So let's get to it. I'm starting off with some black acrylic paint to make some DIY nail stickers. They're also called decals, but I like to call them nail stickers. And I'm going to be using this very old eyeliner brush to draw out Love Yourself, which will be my nail stickers. So I have a dog. He's a pit bull and his name is Tiger. And whenever I'm working, whether that be recording or editing, I always work with my door closed because he likes to jump in my lap. And so I just want to show y'all just why, just why I have to work with my door closed with Tiger out of the cage. And Tyrus, come here.
What? And then you gonna lick my damn hand. Fucker you. Yes.
Which way do you draw Y? Did I just write my Y backwards? I think I did.
What are you talking about? You got a what?
I'm gonna write love yourself, but I think I just did my Y backwards.
It's a Y.
Never mind. You don't get what I'm asking.
No, I don't.
Move! Oh.
Come on, get your ass out of here. Was you recording?
Yes.
Well, you're going to have to edit that out. That's going to be cool.
I'm going to leave it in. But yeah, close my door now. You don't let him out. So yeah, my brother, he let Tiger out of the cage. And I was sitting at my desk working on this or recording this video. And Tiger tried to jump in my lap and he bumped into the desk and knocked over my camera. But don't worry, my camera still works. And it's something about dropping your electronics that just scares the daylife out of you. Like once you drop your electronics, the first thing you think about is, oh my God, I hope it still works. So comment down below and tell me about a time that you dropped something and you were worried about if it still worked or not. So back to the video, I just drew out Love Yourself and I drew it on a yogurt lid if I didn't mention that. So now I'm going to use this Gabriella Gel Effect top coat to cover or apply on top of the decals that I drew out the Love Yourself. And then once that's dry, I'm going to peel it up and then I'll be able to stick it on my nails. And by the way, I didn't even realize that this was a top coat. I thought it was just a plain clear polish because you can use any clear polish for this step, but I guess judging from this mistake, then you can use a top coat also. The drying time for the decals depends on how thick you made them. These are pretty thin, so they'll probably be dry in about 30 minutes. But I'm going to wait at least 45 minutes just to be safe. So while the decals are drying, I'm going to go ahead and move on to painting my nails. The polish that I'm applying is Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Hardcore Party. And I'm going to apply 2 coats of that. On top of that, I'm applying NYX Baby Pink Glitter. If you're enjoying the video, then please do subscribe. And please leave a comment and let me know what you like about this video, so that I can be sure to leave more of your favorite parts in my videos. Next, I'm applying Khroma Beauty in the color Crush. And this is actually the polish I used in my last video where I showed how to fix old and dry polishes. So if you want to check that out, it'll be in the card in the top right corner. And also in the description box. There wasn't enough glitter on my nails for me, and I didn't necessarily want to use the sponging method like I did in one of my previous videos. So I just used my orange stick to grab a few pieces of glitter right off the brush. Now I'm applying my favorite top coat, which is none other than Seche Vite. But we're not done yet. I just want my nails to be dry before the next step. And also adding the top coat is actually kind of optional. So another mistake, well, not really a mistake, but something else I did that was unintentional that ended up being useful is that you can use a clear yogurt lid to see how you want to put the decals on your nails before sticking them down. That way you can control in which direction you want your words to be read. Yes, it's personal preference if you rather have the words starting at the tip of your nail or at your cuticle, but I would say starting the words at the tip of your nail is better than the cuticle, because if the words start at your cuticle, then the words are actually upside down. But again, that's personal preference, so apply them how you like. Now that the decals are all dry, we can peel them up and then trim them to size if they're a little bit too big for your nail. Then I'm going back in with the same Gabriella Gel Effect top coat as I do my air quotes, and just apply a little bit to help apply down or stick down the decals. When you lay down your decals, the sides might not lay down very flat, but you can just use a small brush and acetone or polish remover to kind of melt down the sides of the decal to adhere to your nail, and it won't damage the decal as long as you don't use too much or do it too much. On my right hand, I wrote spa day instead because I love to give myself a spa day. So this video is dedicated to self-love and self-care, specifically on Valentine's Day, because when we think of Valentine's Day, we mostly We mostly do our all for our spouse, our boyfriend or girlfriend or whoever. And if you're single, you're just depressed on Valentine's Day. You're lonely. So this video is dedicated to self-love, specifically on Valentine's Day, because girl, just love yourself, pamper yourself, and just enjoy yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy Valentine's Day.